Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. So this over the bench video isn't going to be like the others. There won't be a chainsaw or a string trimmer or anything like that on the bench, but today it'll be a office printer. The one you see right now is the one I'm harvesting parts from. My buddy Joe, he fixes big commercial printers, but he did diagnose one of our printers and said that it needed a power supply. And guess who got volunteered to swap the power supply? Yeah, so, it's not that big a deal. It's just turning screws, but, sometimes with these things, it seems like you got to flex some plastic to the brink of breaking, and, if you've never worked on one before, you're not sure what to expect. And a couple times in here, my first reaction is uncalled for, really, because if I would just take a second and look at what's going on, I'd see that it comes apart pretty easy, actually. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So, and we had to fire a guy the other day for stealing printer cartridges. He was caught magenta-handed. How the hell am I going to get that out of there?
Bullshit detected. Take precautions.
Yeah, it's been detected, so we might as well go with it. I kept hearing music from my printer, and I think it was paper jamming. When I was in school, I put invisible ink in the printer before printing a math question. I couldn't see what the problem was. What do printers eat on their toast? Paper jam. I know these are stupid, but hey, it's a video of me taking some screws out of a printer, so let's just roll with it, alright? And, yeah, it is. I don't even think I actually show you the repair on this thing. It's just some footage I had. When I flipped the printer over, I couldn't, it was too close to the camera and I couldn't get it all in there, whatever. So, I don't really trust people that use large format printers. They're always plotting something. What do a printer and a prostate have in common? Control P. What kind of printer do pigs use? Well, an oinkjet, of course. What did the father printer say to the teenage printer? Don't use that toner with me. These are really stupid. Okay. What did Snow White say when the printer jammed? Someday my prince will come. Okay. What's the difference between jam and jelly? My office printer doesn't try to jelly every time I try to print. "3D printers are now printing guns." Can you imagine? I'm not really surprised, though. It's nothing new. I've had a Canon printer for years. That's good. Why did the printer go to the gym? To get toner. And finally, imagine having a money printer. That would be mint.
Well, let's see.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Later.
Alright. This is the only piece I have left over. Not sure where it's supposed to go. Put it in here.